In this video tutorial, I'm going to construct a sunken slab, and then afterwards I'm going to edit that slab. This is the drawing situation I have created. You can see. Let us see the model in the plan view. I'm going to construct the slab at say this position, which is bound by say CD grid line and grid 2 and 3. And another slab I'm going to construct bound by grid lines B and C and 3 and 4. So let us open this tool from RCC CAD, structural floor. Now first I'm going to select the horizontal grid line. So horizontal grid line is say C. Next horizontal grid line is D. Vertical grid line is 2. Next grid line is 3. So this is the position I am aiming for. C, D, 2 and 3. Suppose my slab has got offset of say 500 millimeters from grid line 2. So I can add offset here of say 500 millimeters. The level is 2. Hit OK. Click OK button at this position. You can see the slab has been created at an offset distance of 500 millimeters from this grid line, that is 2. Now my aim is to construct another slab at this level, or in fact at this position, bound by grids BC 3, 4. So open this tool. Select grid line B, C, 3 and 4. Level is 2. Suppose my slab is a sunken slab. It is sunk by say 50 mm. Floor type is 300 mm. So this way I have constructed 2 slabs. You can see automatically the software has cut open the portion of column from the four corners of the slab. Okay. Now my aim is to edit these slabs. I will delete this slab, first slab, and second slab I will change the thickness of the slab. How to do it? Again open the structural floor. Now this portion is meant for editing the slab, and this portion is meant to construct the slab. So select the level 2. As both the slabs are on level 2, I will select level 2. The first slab I am going to delete it. Here you can see the offset value and the position at which it has been constructed. Select none, and at another position, the second slab I am going to change the thickness from 300 mm to 100 mm. You can see one slab will be deleted and another will be edited. Its thickness will be edited. Select the slab. You can see its thickness has changed. Floor type has been changed. So in this way you can use this structural floor tool to construct the slab as well as to edit it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.